morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. So, dear students, we have completed unit number 5, the lesson about a different kinds of school. Same thing related about this. A poem is there. Where do all the teachers go? So this is an author. Maybe he is a child and maybe he is a student. So he has a question in his mind. So after the school, where all the teachers are going? Because naturally the teachers give you lot of instructions. Okay, wear the shoes, get ready properly, you should complete your homework and come to the school. Okay, don't pick the nose, write everything neat and tidy. Okay, almost all instructions given by them. So the author is thinking, the poet in this poem, the poet is thinking, what about the teachers? Where they were going after the school? So in the poet minds, a picture of a teacher is very different. What kind of? That a teacher will not be writing any homework. They will not be picking their nose. After the school, where they are going? Are they washing the clothes? Are they folding the clothes? Are they cooking? Are they mopping? What are the activities they are doing? So the poet is thinking, one day after my school, I will go behind the teacher and see what they are doing after 4 o'clock. So let's go to the poem. The words meaning are written here. You have to write down in your notebook. So where do all the teachers go? For a little child, a teacher is a special one. It is difficult for a small child to think him of her, his or her teacher as an ordinary person. That means a poet is a child and the child is thinking that a poor teacher is a very special person, not an ordinary person. Okay, a teacher is a very good person, not an ordinary person, very high-fi maybe thinking about. So where do all the teachers go when it is a 4 o'clock? Do they live in a houses and do they wash their socks? So the child is having in his mind, where do all the teachers go after 4 o'clock? Do they go to their houses? And do they live in a houses? And do they wash their socks or not? That is a surprise for a child. Okay, whether they are washing their socks or not. Second stanza, do they wear pajamas? And do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? So the poet child is telling, as we are picking our noses during the classes. No, some have habit of putting the fingers each and every places in the nose and cleaning it. So are the teachers doing that? Are they washing their socks? Are they watching the TV or not? Okay, like you and me are doing, are the teachers picking their nose? Do they live with the other people? Dear students, yes, you also will be having some of the students seeing the teachers so high-fi. They may have that this teacher will be very high-fi person not doing anything. Okay, so do they live their other people? Have their moms and dads? And where they were ever children and where they were ever bad. So the child is thinking, the teachers were ever a child and were they ever bad like we are. No, all the misbehavior which you do during the class, and when you are instructed by the teacher, you feel bad. So you think when they were child, were they bad? Were they doing the mistakes? Were they misbehave? Okay, same thing. Did they ever never spell right? So whether anytime it happened that they made a spelling mistakes. Did they ever make mistakes? Anytime it happened that they have made a mistake in their life, or were they punished in the corner? Okay, were the teachers were punished in the corner? Yeah, my dear children, teachers are an ordinary people. they are also punished. More than you, they are punished. Nowadays, dear students, there is no punishment. Earlier time, there were lot of punishment. We were getting the beating from our parents to teachers and each and every persons. Okay, but nowadays are very different. So this imagination is in the child's minds whether teachers were punished in the con. If they pinch the chocolate flakes, okay, even they pinch the chocolate flakes. Flakes means pieces. Pinch means squeezed. Now pinching like this. Did they ever lose their hymn books? It is not Haimana, it is a hymn books means a prayer books. Did they ever leave their greens? Means the removing the vegetables, not liking the vegetables and eating what they like. Did they scribble on the desktops? Some children have scribbling habit. Okay, habit of scribbling on the scribble means write everything on the dust and make writing everything on the board. So these are the things children do. So the child is thinking whether the teacher has done or not. Did they wear old dirty jeans? They must have also worn. I will follow one back home today. I'll find out what they do. Then I will put it in a poem that they can read to you. So, my dear students, this is an imagination of the poet where the teachers have got a punishment, whether they have scribbled anything on the dust, whether they have pinched their nose, whether they have squeezed the chocolate ends, okay, whether they have made spelling mistakes. So each and everything has happened in the life of teacher. Okay, each and every person's life same thing happens. So this is the imagination of the poem. Oh, beautiful poem. Read it and learn it. Write down these words meaning in your notebook with a good handwriting. A good day and thank you to all.